Have you ever heard of a slaughter? I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up on one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and we are in Dallas, Texas right now. Yeehaw! This is my co-host, IK.
International King. But Dr. Ross and I, we want to get into the She's Hot contest for this week. So look here, player. Our winner is none other than Demi Rose.
Congratulations.
And no, don't mistake it for Demi Lovato or Demi Moore. Speaking about you two, we still have you in the books. You might be the winners for the next She's Hot contest.
We'll have to wait and see.
It just depends on who votes. And speaking about the votes, we had hundreds of thousands of votes coming in for Demi Rose, saying that she was scandalous and a hot vixen. That was neat. And she needed to win the She's Hot contest.
Exactly.
So Miss Demi Rose, congratulations.
Congratulations on your win for the She's Hot winner.
And remember everyone, stay tuned for the next She's Hot installment, because as you know, you might be the next winner. Just make sure to submit. Let's move into our hot topics for today, starting it off with Kim and Kanye. So Kim and Kanye has everyone wondering if they were seeing other people.
You know, I heard about this, IK. Allegedly, they're saying that Kanye has been staying in a hotel recently and that he had to move out 500 of his sneakers out of Kim's house. Only thing I want to say is 500 of your sneakers, Kim should have burned those sneakers because none of them look good. And two, you should be staying in a hotel because you know Kim has another boyfriend up in there right now with them kids and they're calling him father. So let's get into our next hot topic.
Our next hot topic is how Serena Williams has a striking Florida home.
Boring. Next topic.
Our next hot topic is with Jake Gyllenhaal. They're saying that he looks great with this new gray hair look on the new show called Ambulance by Michael Bay.
Whoa! Wait 1 second.
Dr. Ross, I heard that he was the fishbowl head. Nothing against him. But Jake, put us in your next film and put us in this Ambulance film because we know it's still in development right now.
It sounds a little screechy, but we'll take a look at it. I can't.
Exactly. And you know with all of Michael Bay's films, they're all great and have action-packed scenes. Let's move into our next hot topic with Salma Hayek. So, Dr. Ross, this is a relief for me. This is... Salma Hayek, she's saying that she's going to keep on posting bikini pics and she's not going to stop.
We knew she was never going to stop. IK, this is no surprise to anyone. We knew after the 100 bikini pics that she's posted, she's not going to stop. But let's get into our next hot topic. We have... Go ahead.
Angelina Jolie describes herself as boring and a bit of a geek in a British Vogue cover profile. I might have messed that up. But Angelina Jolie, stop being humble. You know you are the scandalous queen.
Exactly.
And a queen in general.
And our She's Hot winner. I saw this cover. You look fantastic in it. And actually, we saw this picture recently of your daughter Shiloh, 14, has recently stepped out with long hair now, and she's lost the boy haircut. And I'm going to have to say she looks better now.
Yeah.
Get into our next hot topic. All love for Angelina Jolie, though.
With Angelina Jolie, this is another topic with her, but she's apparently selling Winston's Churchill.
Keep selling the church. You can go over there with Kanye West, who's out there in the weeds trying to still get his church running. But let's get into our next hot topic because the Kardashians are relevant at this moment. But Khloe Kardashian said that she's ready and she feels like it's about time to have a second baby with Tristan Thompson.
No.
What are your thoughts, IK?
Thumbs down for me.
Exactly.
First of all, you know she's just trying to lock the Tristan Thompson in. And second of all, Tristan, you should be the player of this movement. Right now you're losing your player's card. I'm gonna have to take that away because you're looking like a sad sap sucker right here.
And not only that, babies, Khloe, I'm surprised you haven't realized at this point that babies is not going to hold the man down. He's still running around and you had one baby. I think what you're trying to do is say all this hoax, all these fabricated lies, just so Lamar or Lammy or whatever his name is can feel a little bit of a stab just because he's been begging for you for weeks. So let's get into our next hot topic.
And Dr. Ross, who knows? She might be trying to get the child support. Let's move into our next hot topic with J-Lo. So J-Lo is back in the news again wearing a chunky sweater, ripped jeans, and Western pants.
J-Lo, you never seem to You never seem to not surprise us. And, you know, J-Lo, we recently saw you in your new Super Bowl ad with A-Rod and DJ Khaled. It looks like you guys are trying to cover up from all the cheating rumors that were happening around with A-Rod, but it's okay. Your commercial was funny. It was cute. There was other celebrities in there.
And Dr. Ross and I, we're gonna say that we're gonna stay at that Hard Rock Hotel next time we go to Miami, Florida.
Pitbull. That's right.
And just a quick recap on Coco. Don't end up like the rest of the Kardashians.
Exactly.
With Kim over there with 4 kids. Courtney, or no, not
Courtney has 3.
Courtney.
Kylie has 1. All your sisters have babies except for Kendall, but Kendall is a stepsister. So just don't follow in your sister's footsteps on all of these kids.
Because look at all of the husbands have went AWOL in that one.
That's right.
And look at the recent case, Kanye West. So with this, just stay away. Have 1 baby and say, that's it. I'm done. I'm good. Let's move into our next hot topic with Miley Cyrus. So Miley Cyrus preps for the Super Bowl in a pink Nike sports bra with black joggers.
Keep looking scandalous. You know, IK and I have music for you in the new Ratchet song we were talking about, so stay prepared for that, Miley Cyrus. And let's get into our next hot topic. With Teresa Giudice and her boyfriend, Luis or Louis, they heat up in the ski slopes. So the werewolf is out and they looked good, you know, in the snowy mountains. You already know Joe Giudice is still trying to kick the TV through in Italy, but
well, Dr. Ross, you know he's scissor kicking the dog. But Joe, you should have done something before this happened, playa. You were on the right track and then you lost it. Starting to do your own HGTV television show, but not on HGTV, the budget cut. Let's move into our next hot topic with Gigi Hadid. Gigi Hadid got real candid about giving birth at home with Zayn Malik by her side.
I heard about this. No one's talking about your baby and we should keep it at that way, so it's a thumbs down.
Thumbs down from me. Let's move into our next hot topic with a film called Malcolm and Marie, which got released by Zendaya.
I heard about this. Zendaya recently won an award for her Oscar for, you know, the show Euphoria, and IK and I are ready for any new films that you have or you are working on, and new movies, because IK and I are not only young hair models, but also actors. So, that's in the works.
Exactly, Dr. Ross. And Zendaya, she's been trying to break into the adult industry now, and I'm not saying that in a different way. I mean get into films that are not PG.
Basically more matured for herself, because in this new film, we've taken a sneak peek at it, and it looks like she's trying to have a full-on argument with a filmmaker the entire movie, is what she said. So, we'll stay tuned for that, and we'll tell you guys our thoughts on that.
Let's move into our next hot topic with Demi Moore. So Dr. Ross and I were talking about her surprise Fenty appearance yesterday, but she actually came up, and a lot of people were saying she used way too much Botox.
I heard about this. Yes, people were saying that she went a little bit crazy on the Botox, and it made her not only look older than she already is, but Demi Moore, you were already gorgeous how you were before. You didn't need the Botox. That's all we're going to say. On to our next hot topic.
Our next hot topic is with Prince. So Prince's Super Bowl halftime show actually inspired Cyndi Lauper. Now, Dr. Ross, I know that The Weeknd is going to be the new Super Bowl halftime performer,
Yes, we
but
heard about this.
no one is going to be able to beat Prince's performance.
Yes, Prince is an icon and a legend, and he always will be, and that's how it is sometimes. Sometimes you can't beat the originals.
And Dr. Ross, to me, when I saw the Prince performance, if I was at the 2007 halftime show, I would have left right there, because that's all I needed to see.
That's right.
Let's move into our final hot topic for today.
Megan Fox is reportedly a little bit hesitant about marrying Machine Gun Kelly right now because he wants to get married and she doesn't. See, the thing I want to say about this is she's hesitant because she doesn't want to marry Machine Gun Kelly.
But Dr. Ross, I just gotta stop you right there. She said she was gonna marry him like 2 days ago?
Exactly. What happened to being twin flames with the crack addict? Now, these were all of our hot topics, so let's close it off, IK.
Remember everyone, we have the Jamaican shampoo still for sale. As you know, the proof is in the pudding. And we have the new and improved revised cuts. If you want to purchase some, the links will be in the description down below, as well as on our Instagram site, which is also in the link.
That's right. And for our next Rose and Gold, so you guys can get excited, we're going to be talking about how Floyd Mayweather said that he is accepting the challenge to fight 50 Cent in a boxing match. So 50 Cent can't stay out of fights, so...
I wouldn't pay 2 cents for that fight.
Exactly. Let's close it off.
These were all of our hot topics, but Kylie Jenner, that's for you. The Playgirl. We out.